Transporting your kayak can be a bit of a hassle. There are many considerations you need to keep in mind to avoid damage during transport. Fortunately, there are lots of kayak roof racks to choose from based on your needs and your budget. Though they may have different features, all of these have the same function in securing your kayak on the top of your car. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 kayak racks on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Eco-Trick Kayak Roof Rack. This lift system by Thule can be of great help to you if you are planning on solo kayaking. The elevator might seem pricey at first, but when you evaluate the benefits of having a tool that allows you to load and unload your gear without any assistance, it becomes a worthy investment. The rugged steel construction of the rack is equipped with the adjustable padding that helps you place the gear in your preferred position. You don't need a specific brand of crossbars in order to fit this rack on them. Most flat, oval, square, and round crossbars will work. The mounting hardware along with the straps is included, so there is no need to purchase anything separately. Feel free to load your rack with equipment weighing up to 165 pounds, and embark on your kayaking adventure with the peace of mind that nothing will fall off the rack along the way. Number 2. Hyundai Rack Universal Inflatable Soft Roof Rack. There isn't anything else on the market that is this low maintenance. The Hyundai Rack Inflatable Kayak Rack is the clear winner in the category. It is compatible with all types of vehicles ranging from sedans and crossovers to SUVs and 5-door vehicles. The inflatable mechanism behind the tool means that, when not required, you can deflate it and pack it in a small bag. The cam buckles integrated into the rack are super strong. The risk of losing the attached equipment is extremely low. The D-rings further ensure the secure attachment with the straps that come with the rack. You don't need any external tools to install the rack. The user manual included in the packaging is easy to comprehend. No side rails or gutters are required for the roof bars, which eliminates the extra costs involved in transporting your water equipment. Whether it be canoes, winter sports gear, or furniture, you can wholeheartedly rely on this rack to do the job of safely transporting it. Number 3. Yakima J Low Rooftop Mounted Kayak Rack. Perhaps the award of the most low-maintenance kayak rack goes to the one released by Yakima. It allows you to transport your gear on its side, which frees up room for another kayak, amounting to 110 pounds weight capacity for both. Or, if you prefer transporting your equipment in the J cradle position, one kayak of up to 80 pounds can easily be stacked onto the rack. The padded contact points provide you with the much-needed grip and security required for backcountry roads that tend to be bumpy. All the necessary hardware including the straps is there, which eliminates the need for additional purchases. It won't take you more than 10 minutes to install the roof rack either. The assembling is as easy as ABC. When you are not using your kayak rack, you can fold the cradles flat and leave them on the roof. Number 4. Thule Elevator Pro Kayak Carrier. This lift system by Thule can be of great help to you if you are planning on solo kayaking. The elevator might seem pricey at first, but when you evaluate the benefits of having a tool that allows you to load and unload your gear without any assistance, it becomes a worthy investment. You can secure your kayak to the roof as well as to the side of your vehicle. That's how versatile this rack is. The gas-assisted struts can hold up to 40 pounds of weight, which helps you to safely lift your kayak and load it onto the car where you can then tightly secure it. The cradles can expand to up to 36 inches wide in order to fit the wider hulls. They also feature 8 padded points of contact that provide your equipment with the required protection. Number 5. Malone Auto Racks. Malone. The V-saddle rack is not your typical type of tool, but Malone made it stand out from the crowd by incorporating high-tech elements into its design. The C-wing saddle not only saves space, but also provides you with the opportunity to fit 2 kayaks on the roof instead of one. This comes in handy for families or friends where no one is willing to be left out of the water activity. The Jaws mounting hardware is compatible with oval, round, and square cross rails. The buckle protectors along with load straps allow you to transport your equipment in a safe and sound manner. This kayak rack is able to withstand gear 7 times its weight, which is impressive for a tool of these dimensions. It acts as a roof extender for your vehicle that will last you a long time due to the abrasion-resistant nylon. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.